In this example, we're going to graph this system of linear inequalities. So we're going to start by graphing each line and then figuring out where we need to shade for the inequality portion. So there are 4 pieces of information we need to effectively graph a linear inequality. Well, 2 of them are the slope and the y-intercept, and we notice that this inequality is already in slope-intercept form. So the slope is going to be the coefficient of my x, which is negative 2/3. The y-intercept is going to be this constant, so it's going to be 2. Now the other 2 pieces of information that I need, is this a solid line or a dashed line, and are we going to shade above or below? So this is y is greater than or equal to, so because of that equal to, I know this is going to be a solid line, and that basically tells us that the line itself is included in the solution set, so I'm going to use a solid line to indicate that. And this is y is greater than, so I know I'm going to shade above my line of inequality. Okay, the second one is y is less than or equal to 2x minus 6. So again, I see we are in slope-intercept form. So the first 2 pieces I'm going to grab, the slope is 2, or 2 over 1 if I'm going to write it rise over run. And then my b, or my y-intercept, is negative 6. This is y is less than or equal to, so I know we're going to use a solid line. Once again, this line is included in the solution set. And then it's less than, so we know we're going to shade below that line. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this first line. Let's graph it. So we're going to start at 2 for our y-intercept. And then our slope is negative 2/3. So we're going down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, or up 2 and back to the left 3, up 2 and back to the left 3. And we know this is going to be a solid line whenever I get my straight edge. Okay, the other line starts at negative 6, and it has a slope of positive 2 over 1. So up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. We have that point already, up 2 over 1. We'll just do a few more points here. Okay, and this also is going to be a solid line. So let's go ahead and grab our straight edge now. I'll do this line first. Okay, and then let's go ahead and connect the dots for this other line that we have. Okay, put little arrows on the end. Okay, so we need to figure out now, are we going to shade, which of these 4 regions? So we said our negative 2/3 x plus 2, which is this line, we're going to shade above it because it's greater than. That means we're going to shade in this region or this region. We're not really sure which of those 2. And your other line, y is less than or equal to 2x. So here's our 2x, and we're shading below because it's less than. So that's either this region or this region. Well, here's the region that satisfies both inequalities simultaneously. So I'm going to go ahead and shade that region right there. Okay, so here is the graph for this system of linear inequalities.